Coming to you live from Lux Lounge in Kingston City. This is Marianna McPherson. And I'll rise up, I'll rise like the day, I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid, I'll rise up. So what I love about singing, it gives me a rush, you know, to always want to listen to it. I love the slurs, I love the emotions that it brings forth. I love the energy. I entered Digicel Rising Stars because my friends always encouraged me to enter. I've always wanted to enter from Noddy Virtue and Christopher Martin time, but I've never mustered up the feelings and the confidence to go out there, you know, and perform in front of Jamaica. Now I'm older, I understand, even though I get nervous sometimes, which is natural for anybody. But this year, out of all, is because I had the drive to go. You know, I have two beautiful children, and my son loves when I sing for him. And my mom always say, you must enter, and my little sister, she always say, why don't enter Rising Stars, Marianna? Say you would have win, and the excitement. Oh, if I win the $1.5 million, that would mean the world to me and my kids. And not just my kids, my family in general. Because my mom, she's sick, and sometimes money not really there for care her to the doctor. I can probably, you know, squeeze and say, Moms, this year is going to sort out yourself. And even me, like, I have a spinal injury, so sometimes my back will act up on me. And sometimes I don't see the money right away. You know, I want to invest in my kids' education. It would mean the world if I won that $1.5 million, trust me.
Well, my advice to Marianna is to show her best, put her best foot forward, show Jamaica who she is. As I said, she's a fun-loving person, you know, so that Jamaica can fall in love with her personality. And watching Rising Star all over the years is always about song selection. So Marianna, choose the right songs.
For you, for you, you, for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you on the big stage.